Assalamualaikum. My name is Lee Yoon-jung. I'm conservation scientist at the Korea Heritage Agency. Since 2021, we established the Gandara Cultural Heritage Research Center in collaboration with the Department of Archaeology and Museums to study and conserve Pakistan's significant artifacts. Now, I'd like to share with you how we carry out conservation for artifacts and what kind of equipment we have.
Hello everyone, I'm Munazza Gilani and I'm working with Korea Heritage Agency in Pakistan's project as conservator. So I'll briefly introduce about our conservation treatment lab. So basically this lab deals with inorganic artifacts, and lab is divided into two portions. One is conservation lab and one is analysis lab. Now I'm standing in the conservation part. So here are the equipments that we use for the conservation treatment of artifacts, and basically according to the condition and according to the material of the artifact we use different process. So there is step-by-step conservation treatment. So here are some equipments that we use for the cleaning process of stone, ceramics, bronze, copper. This is ultrasonic cleaner and this is steam cleaner, and this is pH meter, and we have some measuring tools. This is our intense treatment room. So basically we have all heavy equipments are here. So this is microabrasive blaster, and we use for the specifically for the iron artifacts, for the cleaning of iron artifacts with the glass bead powder. And for the stabilization and consolidation process, we put artifacts inside this vacuum impregnator, and we have put all the heavy equipments here in this intense treatment room because of heat. And so currently we are dealing with different material of artifacts in lab, such as terracotta and bronze coins and guns. And stone statues. This one is schist stone and the other one is red sandstone.
Hello, my name is Fakhra Nawaz and I am working in a conservation lab at Department of Archaeology and Museums. As currently we are standing in analysis portion of the lab, and this portion or section helps us to understand what changes happened in any kind of artifact over time by doing analysis. And for that purposes we are using different kind of equipment. For example, we are doing analysis of this artifact by using this high resolution microscope Leica, and this microscope is also attached through cord with laptop, and we can see surface of the artifact in this laptop. This microscopes also helps us to capture video and picture of the artifact. Then we have these portable microscopes and another microscope which is Nikon, and we have another analysis equipment which is illuminator. This is basically used to shed extra light on any artifact, and we can see details of surface details of any kind of artifact. Then we have very important equipment for the composition analysis of the artifact, which is portable XRF. By using XRF we can identify what kind of elements are present in any artifact and what is the ratio of each element in that artifact. We can also make a spectrum of elements that are present in any artifact by using XRF. Along with analysis portion, we have our photography room where we do photography of the artifacts before treatment, after treatment, even if during treatment we require to take pictures. Adjacent to photography room we have our storage room. Basically in storage room we stored all kind of tools related to conservation and different kind of chemicals, and along with that we have our workstation inside here where we do documentation work of the conservation. This was the whole overview of the conservation lab, and for more detailed videos of each equipment, how we are dealing with each equipment and how we are using those equipment for the treatment of artifact, you can watch detailed videos on our different social media platforms, on website of the Department of Archaeology and Museums and YouTube channel.